I believe if you're not investing in yourself by workshops, going to mastermind groups. Right now I'm in 5 masterminds. And I found for me, one of the most important things is surrounding myself with people that are further ahead from me, that I respect, that they're in a direction and a place that I want to get to. And it's not a matter so much about what or how do I start my YouTube channel? Or like, what do I do? Or how do I write this book? It's more a matter of who's done it effectively. And identify that person and then hitch to their trailer and learn from them. And mastermind groups has been a big one for me. Also just my family, having the support, creating alignment with my wife of like knowing what I want and having her be part of that. We like work that out together to where we're aligned, and then she becomes my biggest supporter. And rather than like fighting and resisting. So you want to make sure you're aligned with anybody who's close, you know, for me, I've had to align with anybody who's close with me, my wife, and make sure that we're rowing in the same direction. Harmony in relationships is a superpower. And I think all of those together between the masterminds and relationships and just making sure that there's clarity and alignment of where I want to go, and then so that others that want to naturally support and be a cheerleader and support, they can. And I'm clear on where I want to go, and they're aware as well to help me.